and welcome back to another video by our girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. I filmed this video on the same night as I filmed last week's video, my unboxing video on the Simply Beautiful, Simply the Best box. So I'm still wearing the necklace from before and I still have the same makeup look as I did that night. So this one here is the Simply Beautiful Editor's Box. This was the mystery box and I ended up getting a winter box. Winter's over, yes, but I'm actually excited for it because I love wintry things. I hate the season, don't get me wrong, winter sucks, especially considering if you live in Canada, winter is the worst. But it's got some pretty nice aesthetic to it, so. So this one actually does come with a little handout because it is a previous box, so it actually has a card that comes with it, which is nice. Unlike the other one, which was Simply the Best box, and so I have no idea how much each thing cost or what the value is of it, but this one I do, so yay! So first up are these rose gold metal straws. Ooh, yes! So I've been trying to make a change from getting these plastic straws with the drinks that I have all the time to going to the metal straws, and while they are wonderful, I do tend to not wash them immediately, so it is nice to have some extras, and the color on these is just gorgeous. And I do love that you can tell the brush will go all the way down the straw. That was one of my problems with another box's metal straws, was that the brush didn't reach all the way down to the bottom. And so it's kind of annoying because you're like, you can't really clean the whole thing in one go. But this one, it goes all the way down, so yes. And they're gorgeous. These ones were an estimated retail price of $10. Next up is also from Masquerade. So used the previous box last week, and it's All Eyes on Me hydrating gel patches. So I guess these are just the things that go under your eyes to help hydrate your eyes and give you less puffy circles, essentially. These are an estimated retail price of $25, and you get 4 pairs of these gel packs. Oh, and they're just in these little cute packages here, like a night out on the red carpet, which are amazing. This looks like a cool package. I think I know what it is though, and I think I have 2 of these already, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get any use out of it. So this is the Della Organics Rose Quartz Facial Massager. Now, this would be fine, because I do have 2 of these already, if it was a different kind of stone, but unfortunately I do already have a rose quartz one. So I'm not entirely sure what to do about that. So it says roll away stress and tension with this oh so pretty rose quartz facial massager from Della Organics. It's an estimated retail price of $40. Holy cow. Holy cow. Apparently you can use these alone or with your favorite facial serum to increase absorption. Now this is what I do. I do use it with a face serum to kind of get that moisture more into my pores. And what it's saying is to remember up and out rather than in with the rolling. And I guess that's because they're saying it's supposed to help with lymph drainage. Now that I did not know. So that is good to know. It is quite pretty though. I love that the handle is also quartz. We'll see what I do with this one. Sip Sip Hooray, which is adorable, is a wine bottle carrier. As I said before, I do live right next to Wine County, so this will come in handy when I bring it to other people's housewarming parties. You know, go to the county, grab a few bottles of wine with the excuse of getting one for my friends, but then get a few for myself, and then I can carry them to my friend's house with this wonderful little wine holder. And this was estimated retail price at $15. And it does have a handle, which is really nice. Oh, okay. More of the Invisiballs that I am wearing in my hair right now. So these are the Invisibobble Original, the Traceless Hair Ring. And it says before you can scrub your face, use your rose quartz roller and apply your eye mask. You've got to pull back your hair and no ordinary hair tie will do. Invisibobble's original Princess of Hearts hair ring will hold your hair snugly and it won't leave a mark. Oh, so that's what it means by Invisibobble. So it won't leave that terrible line that you get when you wear a ponytail. And then it just crimps your, crimps your hair for the rest of the day, which is quite annoying. So maybe I will be using these more often if I want to wear my hair down. And they were estimated at a retail price of $10. So next is this River Sol Hydrating Cream Cleanser. it says it's dermatologist developed for sensitive skin, which is good because I do have very sensitive skin. And it's supposed to gently clean, restore balance, and soothe irritation in sensitive skin for dry to very dry skin. Ooh, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use it actually after all. My skin is a combination. It's very oily at times and dry in others. And so sometimes I can use this and sometimes I have to use other stuff because like right now when I get stressed out, my face becomes an oily mess. Don't know if I could use this right now, but hopefully we'll be able to use this in the future. Let's see how it smells though. I mean, it actually smells quite nice. It's quite light and like slightly citrusy and woody, and so it's a scent that I really do like. Hopefully I'll be able to try this out in the future for you guys to give you a better idea of what it's like, but for now it's just gonna go in my cupboard. This is soft. Oh, it's one of those infinity scarves. I used to not like the infinity scarves because I thought, what is the point? It's kind of like a scarf, but not as much coverage on the front. And you can't get it as tight around your neck. And then I realized that it's much better because in the wind, it will not fly away and you don't have to worry about your neck getting hit with that freezing cold blast of air. So I now love infinity scarves, and this one's quite soft and I love the color. And so this is a blush peony. Why am I not surprised? I seem to love their products. And this is the Cozy Knit Infinity Scarf, estimated retail price of $45. Wow. Okay. What is it made out of? It's 100% acrylic. Why is something that is 100% acrylic $45? Wow. Okay. But it is gorgeous and I love the color, so I will actually use this. Shake, 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 shake. My puppy's very interested when I did that because I shook something. So this is the Cherry Arom Canada Black Lava Detox Salt Bath. So I am a big fan of bath salts, so this will be wonderful to help me relax. So this says soak all your holiday stress away with these Black Lava Detox Bath Salts. Activated charcoal is known to pull out impurities and heavy metals from the skin, and the light soothing fragrance will have you relaxed in no time. Just add a handful or more to warm bath water and enjoy. Okay, and these are an estimated retail price of $13. Ooh, you know, they're quite strong. When I say light scent, they do not actually mean light scent, but it's kind of minty, eucalyptus type smell, and I quite enjoy it. It smells very relaxing, so I'm looking forward to these. Last in this box is this All Is Bright Warm Vanilla Fire Hearth Toasted Nutmeg Simply Beautiful and Canvas Candle Company candle. It's made from 100% soy wax and it's all natural and handmade. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like how you would expect a Christmas kitchen to smell like. It smells like baking, vanilla and nutmeg and cinnamon and a little bit of smoked wood, and it's so good. It just makes you feel so cozy and comfortable and just want to relax and curl up. So this is a good combination with those bath salts. Both of these together and then you got yourself a nice, cozy, relaxing bath. So this candle is an estimated retail price of $18. So that was everything in this Simply Beautiful Winter Editor's box. And I actually really enjoyed it. And I think I enjoyed it better than the Simply the Best box, mostly because everything in it is a bit more my style. I love the items, and I love that instead it gave you the actual card to tell you what each one is, what its stance is, what it's made out of, how much it costs. That was the problem that I had with the Simply the Best box, I think, was that it didn't give me this card, so I didn't know what to expect from all the products. Whereas this, I like having this information. But beyond that, I do actually love the products in that box a bit more. And I think that one was well worth the money. I'm really excited to try out a lot of this stuff, especially that candle and those bath salts, because, oh, the two of them together, perfect relaxing bath. Yes. So I hope you all enjoy, beautiful people, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.